All right, we are at week 19. We have 184 days to go. This is summertime officially, and I will be taking a break next week to go on vacation. This is just a 2-minute wrap up of what happened this week. Not a lot. A lot of sanding, a lot of painting. This is the final bio head that's gone through about 6 or 7 sanding and filling and sanding and painting sessions. And same with the base. You probably have seen this from the last video. A lot of Bondo, sanding, a lot of epoxying. A lot of it was done in the severe heat, so a lot of the final epoxy that I paint on got too hot and baked too quickly, so it didn't get as smooth as I wanted. So this is the final assembly, putting the neck on. This is, the neck went through a lot of changes. It has 3 spandex socks now. Each layer is epoxied on the neck. You can see kind of the brown spot there. So now we don't have, we do have a constant bend now. You can see it does go to a resting point. Doesn't go as far over. I didn't want it to go too far, I just want it to be safe. The cool thing is, as you can see, I go all the way front or back. You can see I'll let go here for a second. You can see my hand go up, so it's quite stable, 10 times more stable than the last one. Plus the head is really, really heavy, probably twice as heavy as the first head. So the third sock really helped out. Here we're doing the prototypes for the flanges. Matt designed. I had to go back and redesign the base a little bit, so it will fit on the neck. And so we're doing this as a silicone, because as with the neck bends, we don't want the plastic hitting plastic. Plus it's kind of a cooler look. Hopefully start thinking about silicones for other forms down the road. I really like the transparency of this. So this is the little bracket. It's going to hold it on the side. You can see the side epoxy things that I did to keep the neck from slipping and keep that in constant tension with the spandex. And you can see the transparency. It's really, really cool. So I got some cool ideas on how to do maybe layers of painting maybe, and then doing silicone on top of that. So anyways, cool ideas. This is a silicone mold system that I use. So just 3D print, and then pour, and then 4 hours later, take it apart, and then do another set. So it's pretty quick and fast. That is it for this week. See you in about 10 days.